Hey y'all, it's Melissa, and today I'm gonna do a little get ready with me kind of deal. I pulled out some products that we're just gonna put on my face so that I can be all nice and pretty for the day. So if you are interested in seeing the products that I'm using today and the look that I come up with, just keep watching. Alright, I'm going to take off my glasses and I'm going to put on the Revolution Prime and Lock. And this actually seems to work pretty good. I normally use this when I use drugstore products, so which I've been using drugstore products quite a bit, and I've really been liking it. My eyeshadows have lasted really well. Alright, today I'm kind of going to do a little bit of a natural look, I think. I'm going to go into the Colourpop Going Coconuts palette. And that's what it looks like. I think I'm going to go into Lovely Bunch right there, and I'm just going to put that on my crease as my transition shade. I'm going to use Get Crackin', and I'm going to put that on my outside corner, my outside V. Alright, I'm going to go back in that first brush, and I'm just going to clean around the edges. Now I'm going to go into Cocoa Crush right there, and I'm going to put that on the inner corner of my eye. Alright, I'm taking a cotton round and some micellar water, and I'm going to clean up my edges and a little bit of fallout I got. Alright, I'm going to go in the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Lotion, and I'm going to put that all over my face. Alright, and I'm taking the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear in shade 410 Ivory. And I'm going to blend that out with my elf sponge. Alright, I'm taking the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in 325 Eggshell. I'm putting that on my under eye. And I'm going to blend that out with my e.l.f. sponge as well. And I'm taking the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder, and I'm going to put that underneath my eyes. Alright, and I'm going to take a little bit more and just spread it all over my face to set my face. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Bronze It bronzer in light. I'm going under my chin and down my neck, making sure to get behind the ears. Okay, and I'm going to go in with Essence Blush in 10 Befitting. Is decently pigmented. This is the first time that I've tried this. I bought all the shades, but I hadn't tried it yet, and that's really, really pretty. And now I'm going to go into Essence Pure Nude highlighter, and I'm going to put that on the high points of my face. Going back in that powder brush, I'm just going to go over everything and blend it in. Now I'm going to go back into Get Crackin', and I'm going to put that underneath my eye. My camera just cut off on me, so I think I was just putting the Get Crackin' underneath my eye, and now I'm going to go into Palm Reader and put that as an inner corner highlight. Alright, I'm going to try to use this Essence. It's Extreme Lasting Waterproof Eye Pencil in 06 Silky Nude, and it's supposed to last up to 16 hours. I'm going to try to put that in my waterline real quick. I'm going to put on the Colourpop Volumizing Mascara in Brownie Point. Alright, I'm going to put on the NYX slide on, glide on, stay on, and definitely a turn on waterproof extreme color lip liner in nude suede shoes, I believe. Yeah, nude suede shoes. And I'm going to take the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Cane's. They smell really good. Alright, now I'm going to take the L'Oreal Lumi Shake and Glow Dew Mist. I'm going to shake. I'm going to spray my face. I'm going to take my handy fan. And as it dries down, I'm going to pat it in just to melt everything together with my sponge. Alright, well this is the final look. I hope that you like it. If you did, press the like button. If you haven't already subscribed, I'd love for you to hit the subscribe button and become a part of our family. Also, ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. I try to upload a video at least twice a week, but a lot of times I upload more than that. I'm so glad that you got to hang out with me, and I greatly appreciate you. I hope you have a great rest of the day. Talk to you later. Bye, y'all.